Our planet is bathed in the sun's energy. Every day, the Earth receives an astounding amount of solar power. It's more than enough to meet the energy needs of every person on the planet. This makes solar energy a powerful solution for our future. We need to find sustainable ways to power our world. Solar energy offers a clean and renewable option. The sun is a powerful force, and harnessing its energy is crucial. By shifting away from fossil fuels, we can reduce pollution and combat climate change. Solar energy provides a path towards a cleaner, greener planet. It's a future where energy is abundant and sustainable for generations to come. Solar panels are the key to unlocking the sun's energy. These panels are made up of smaller units called solar cells, usually made from silicon. Silicon is a readily available material found abundantly in sand. What makes silicon special is its ability to convert sunlight into electricity. Each solar cell is designed with two layers of silicon. One layer is negatively charged while the other is positively charged. This creates an electric field. When sunlight hits the solar cell, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms. These freed electrons are then driven by the electric field, creating a flow of electricity. This direct conversion of sunlight to electricity is what makes solar panels so remarkable. While solar energy holds immense promise, challenges remain. One challenge is the intermittency of sunlight. Sunlight is not constant, varying with time of day and weather conditions. This means we need efficient ways to store the energy generated by solar panels. Battery technology is constantly improving, but finding ways to store large amounts of energy is crucial. Another challenge is energy transmission. Solar farms located in sunny deserts need to transmit the generated electricity to urban centers. This requires significant investment in infrastructure, such as high-voltage power lines. Overcoming these challenges is essential for solar energy to reach its full potential. The future of solar energy is bright. The cost of solar panels has been steadily decreasing, making it an increasingly affordable energy source. Innovations in solar technology are constantly emerging, leading to more efficient and powerful panels. Governments and businesses around the world are recognizing the importance of investing in renewable energy sources like solar. This is particularly important for underdeveloped regions lacking access to reliable electricity. Solar energy can provide a lifeline to these communities, powering homes, schools, and hospitals. As we move towards a future powered by the sun, we can create a more sustainable and equitable world for all.